anybody think that the experiment
Need to smell like vinegar.
Why?
Did you think it would work?
So people could cook you.
Did it work?
Yes.
3 times. One did.
Dun dun dun.
Pass it,
Chuck.
I didn't do it right.
Failure bin. Failure.
Okay.
Epic fail. Epic.
Listen up,
We
Robbie.
followed the leader's instructions because we believed they were true. Today we're learning that God's word is true.
Let's go.
God's word is true.
Stop with me, Vinegar Child.
Vinegar person.
Let's go.
Okay?
Ew.
Cow
Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll see you tomorrow at the shipwreck. Tomorrow we'll be at the shipwreck.
Okay, one last note. If you do this, make sure you have your parents' consent and you're outside.